What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm very excited to do a review on the latest software of the Final Cut Pro, the 10.4.4, which is claimed to have new features built in like the noise reductions and other features. But in today's video I'm interested in bringing out one of the best features, which is the noise reductions. Let's see if it is what it is claimed to be. So in this video I'm going to show you guys the original video, and after that the video which has the effect applied and the side-by-side comparison between these two clips, and let's see how effective the built-in software of the Final Cut Pro. Okay, so without further delay, let's get into this. Okay, so now it's time that I'm gonna show you guys how to apply the effect on a video. So let me give you an example, the same video that I just shown you in the video. As you can see this video, as you can see noise around what you can see clearly is somewhere next to the Hero 6, okay? And let me play it again. You can see the noise somewhere here. You can see noise, a lot of noises here. So I'm going to use the video here and then apply or add the effect on that video, and let's see if it really changed. Okay, now I drag the video into Final Cut Pro. You can still see the noise somewhere there, okay? Not to mention other spots, but the spot is clearly missing. And where you can find the noise reduction built in the Final Cut Pro is it's in the basic. You go to effect, and somewhere in the effect here in basic, and you see noise reduction. Just drag the noise reduction and put it on the video. And click on the video. Okay, click on the video. If you click on the effect, let me untick the effect. You can see a little bit change. Can I get? Okay, nothing much different because I haven't adjusted the setting yet. So the amount, I would like you to go to high. Okay, it's much better now, or it depends on the video quality itself. Sometimes you can go up to maximums as well. You can see that the maximums. If I click and take the noise reduction effect, you can see that now you can see it's clearly that the effect does help a lot with the video with noise. Okay, and for sharpness, for me I prefer to go with high or very high, but it depends on you guys what kind of sharpness you prefer. So if I go with high, you can see that. Okay, if I untick it, see the difference? Yeah, so this is a highly recommended noise reduction effect that I think everybody should try when you are recording videos with low quality, especially you record the video right from your smartphone. And now I want you to pay close attention with me when I untick and tick the noise reduction effect. Now, because at the moment I'm asking you to look at the here somewhere near hero 6 letters, but now I want you to look at somewhere else. Okay, if I untick, you see that noise almost everywhere, and I tick, untick, and tick. Okay, so this is pretty awesome, and I want you guys to experience it yourself and tell me what you feel about it. Okay, so after watching this video, I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you want to try it out to see it yourself, you can do it. And thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you.